You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to shift the last element of a list to the first position in Python. My Python version is 3.7 and editor is Spider. Let's start programming. First we will create a Python list. It has 6 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The position of first element is always 0. It means the position of last element will be 5. We will shift last element, that is 6, to first position. Next, print the Python list. Next, we are going to apply our first method, that is shifting of elements using for loop. In this method, first calculate the length of the list -1, because list is started with 0, so we will -1 from the length. Next, save the last element of the list to a variable. The name of variable is last. Next, by using for loop, we will shift all the elements from the back side of the list to front side. Example, 6 will be replaced by 5, 5 will be replaced by 4, 4 will be replaced by 3, 3 will be replaced by 2, and 2 will be replaced by 1. Next, print the list and run the program. In output window, it is showing list after shifting. Here in first and second position, there is a same value, that is 1. Next, we will replace the 1 that is placed in first position to last element that we have already saved in a variable that's name is last. Now we have shifted last element to first position. Next, print the new list and run the program. In output window, it is showing new list where last element, that is 6, is shifted in first position. For checking validity of this program, I am adding some elements in list and again run the program. I am adding 8 in first position and 9 in last position. In output window, it is showing a new list where last element 9 is shifted to first position. It means our for loop method is working successfully and shifting last element to first position. Next method, that is slicing method, we will apply on list for transferring last position element to first position. In this method, first we slice the list and delete last element from the list. For this, we will write x equal to list, then colon -1. After colon -1 means delete the last element from the list, then print the new list. Next, we will print last element. For this, we will write -1 colon in bracket, that will give us only last element. Next, print last element and run the program. In output window, it is showing a list where we have deleted last element, and next y equal to 9 where it is showing only last element, that is 9. Next we will add x with y, means z equal to y plus x. Here x will work as a concatenation operator that will join both the list where y equal to 9, that is last element, and x equal to list except 9. Next print the new list and run the program. In output window it is showing a new list where we have shifted last position element to first position. Next we are going to apply third method. In this method we will use pop function of stack that works on the principle of LIFO. LIFO means last in, first out. This function will extract last element from the list. We will write p equal to list dot pop, then parenthesis. We will not pass any parameter in this function. This will store last element to variable p. Next print the p variable and run the program. In output window it is showing our last element, that is 9. Pop function always extract elements from the back side of the list one by one. Next we will insert this last element to first position by using insert method and pass two parameter. First one is index, that is 0 for first position, and next one is our last element. In this way we placed our last element to first position. Next print our new list and run the program. In output window it is showing a new list where our last element 9 is placed in first position of the list. Here we wrote two methods, pop and insert, separately. Next we will combine both the methods and write a single line statement. The specialty of insert method is that it does not return anything. It works implicitly. Now after writing single line statement, again we run the program, and in output window it is showing same result where we shifted last position element to first position. Now I am ending this tutorial for today. Thank you.